Brown Noddies are dark-bodied tons of tropical offshore waters. The adults are solidly dark brown with a white cap. Outside of the breeding season, they are seldomly seen from the moonlight. Brown Noddies usually nest on uninhabited offshore islands. Sometimes they nest in trees, using twigs, or even on the bare rock. Nesting noddies can be seen periodically opening their mouths as a means of coping with the heat. The adults would stand over small chicks to give them shade from the burning sun. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and hit that like button.